Hello children, in this session let us do some exercises from chapter 1 English grammar, the sentence and the parts of speech. Exercise 1. Rearrange the words to make sentences. Use capital letters and appropriate punctuation marks wherever necessary and write. Children, we use capital letters at the beginning of a sentence and for proper nouns. And we use full stop for imperative sentence and declarative sentence, question mark for interrogative sentence and exclamatory mark for exclamatory sentence. Now let us see the sentences one by one. First one, in winters beautiful Delhi are. So the sentence is winters are beautiful in Delhi. Here first letter W we have to write capital and Delhi, it is the name of a place, so it is proper noun, so D is capital letter. Second sentence, wonder computer what A is A. So here the sentence is what a wonder a computer is. Here first letter W we write capital letter, and since it is an exclamatory sentence we put exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. Number 3, book go for did look where he took his, and the correct sentence is where did he go to look for his book. And first letter W is capital and this is an interrogative sentence, so we put question mark at the end of the sentence. Right children? Question number 4. Of, in, green, include, diet, plenty, your. So what will be our sentence? Include plenty of green in your diet. Here this is an imperative sentence, so we put full stop at the end of the sentence, and the first letter I is capital because it is the beginning letter of the sentence. And how can you say this is an imperative sentence? Because here the subject is absent. Question number 5. Stop fighting. Here what will be our sentence? Stop fighting. This is also an imperative sentence, and at the end we have to put full stop and starting letter S is capital. Okay children? Exercise 2. Identify the type of sentences and write. Question number 1. Chandrayaan discovered water on the moon. Here children, we have full stop, and if we have full stop we have two options, declarative sentence and number 2 imperative sentence. And then for confirming our answer, see subject is there or not. Here we have the subject Chandrayaan, so our sentence is declarative sentence. It can also be said assertive sentence. Question number 2. When will you come home? Here we have question mark. If we have question mark, the type of sentence is children interrogative sentence. Number 3. Please lend me your pencil. Here we have full stop, so it is, and also we have the word please, so it is imperative sentence. Okay. Question number 4. Learn to put things back after you have used them. Children, here the sentence begin with a verb. Subject is absent, so the answer is imperative sentence. Also at the end we have got the full stop. Question number 5. Great, let us go then. The sentence has exclamatory sign, so this is an exclamatory sentence. Okay. Exercise 3. Pick out the proper and common nouns and write. Sentence number 1. Jagriti is not interested in playing Scrabble. Jagriti, you know, it is the name of a girl, so it is proper noun, and Scrabble is a word showing game, so it is common noun. Sentence number 2. Manali is a wonderful place. Manali is the name of a place, so it is proper noun, and place is a word showing area or place, so it is common noun. Sentence number 3. This building was built by Shah Jahan. Building is the name of an object, so it is common noun, and Shah Jahan, it is the name of a king, so it is proper noun, right? Sentence number 4. These gold bangles were given by Asha to her mother. In this sentence, the word bangle shows the name of an object, so it is common noun. Asha is the name of a girl, so it is proper noun. Mother is the name of a female person, which stands common to all mothers, so it is common noun. Sentence number 5. Quran is a holy book of the Muslims. In this sentence, Quran stands for a particular book, so it is common noun. Holy book is the name of an object, so it is common noun. Muslims is proper noun because it represents group of people belonging to a particular religion. Exercise 4. Pick out the verbs and write. Question number 1. She plays violin and her brother listens to it. Verb means action word. And in first sentence, the word plays and listens. They are the action words. So the answer is verbs plays and listens. Question number 2. There is only one religion, the religion of humanity. Here the word is the verb. It shows state. So the answer is verb is. Question number 3. My friend has a unique computer. Here the word has shows possession. So in this sentence the verb is has. Okay. Question number 4. She met with an accident last night. Here the action word is met. So the verb is met. Number 5. He sleeps by day and works during night. So in this sentence, which are the action words? The words sleeps and works. So the verbs are sleeps and works. Exercise 5. Pick out the pronouns and write. Question number 1. I can speak 3 languages. Here the pronoun is I. Question number 2. He is a production manager in a flour mill. Here the pronoun is he. Question number 3. It is the shortest story in the English language. Here, what's the pronoun, children? The pronoun is it. Okay. 4. My grandpa gave me a gift on my birthday. Here, what is the pronoun? The pronoun is me. Here, the word my, which comes before grandpa and which comes before birthday. It is not pronoun. It is called possessive adjective because here the word my modifies birthday and also modifies the word grandpa. Question number 5. She narrated the incident to her mother. In this sentence, what is the pronoun? The pronoun is she. Here again we have the word her and this word modifies the word mother, so it is possessive adjective. It is not pronoun. Okay, children.